How to install apps in iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, click on general. Now here click on software update. Make sure your software update is latest iOS 26. So if it latest, go back to home screen. Refresh phone. You will check your internet connection is work properly. So go to app library and click on utilities folder. Now I click on Safari app. Now in Safari you will see my internet connection is work properly. So after the procedure, refresh phone and click on App Store app. Now here search app. So after search app, so click on get, click on install. So after click on get, your app is downloading. So that's how you can install app in iOS 26. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.